Wholesalers, are you tired of being nickel and dimed for every little tool needed to be a successful real estate investor? It's 2020. Isn't it time technology catches up with what's really needed in the industry? Isn't it time companies stop being so greedy and stop upcharging you for every little feature? Are you ready to cancel all of your monthly subscriptions as well as all of those pesky logins? Are you ready to get unlimited SMS for under a penny? Unlimited ringless voice messages for under a penny? Are you ready to take your wholesaling and lead generation to the next level? And are you ready to do all of this for just $49 per month? Go to www.reireply.com and get the technology you deserve at a price you can afford. Go to www.reireply.com today.